members of Ellora House. We are going to present today's assembly on the topic Red Panda.
International Red Panda Day is celebrated. Let's know more about Red Panda. Starting with physical characteristics. A Red Panda fur is long and soft. On their upper body, it is reddish brown color and black in their lower body. Their long, bushy tail has 6 ochre rings serving as camouflage in moss and lichen. They have very strong teeth. Females weigh 3.7 kg to 6.2 kg on average. Males weigh 3 kg to 6 kg on average. Despite its name, it is not closely related to the giant panda. Their claws are semi-retractile with an extension of the wrist bone acting as a false thumb. This aids in gripping onto free branches, leaves, and fruits. When descending headfirst from a tree, red pandas are one of the few species who can rotate its ankle for control. Their fur-covered paws provide insulation on cold, icy surfaces. Habitat. It is native to the eastern Himalayas and southwestern China. The eastern Himalayas make up 50% of their habitat. It thrives best at 2,200 to 4,800. They inhabit areas of temperature between 10 and coniferous forests. They prefer old trees and areas with lots of bamboo. Diet. It is arboreal and feeds mainly animals. They will eat approximately 1.5 kg of leaves and 4 kg shoots daily. This will pass through their digestive system within 2 to 4 hours. Red pandas cannot digest cellulose, a substance found in the wall of plant cells. Because of this, they need to eat the leaves. Behavior. When it is hot, red pandas sleep on a branch with their leaves dangling. Red pandas are territorial animals. They mark their territories with their beauty. Their communication sounds include twitting and whistling. It is a solitary animal, mainly active from dusk to dawn, and is largely sedentary during the day, nocturnal and crepuscular. Sleep with their tails wrapped over their face. They are cat-like in the way they lick their paws and rub their backs. Predators. In an attempt to make themselves appear larger and taller, the red panda will stand on their hind legs which they feel threatened. Their sharp claws are used as defense. They can escape by climbing rocks or trees. Reproduction. Red pandas can reproduce at around 18 months. Mating season is from mid-January to early March. A few days before birth, red panda will collect materials needed to create a nest. These are typically in a hollow tree. Red pandas carry their babies for about 112 to 158 days. They start to open their eyes at around 18 days old. Cubs stay with their mother until the following year when the next little is born. The typically lifespan of the red panda is 8 to 10 years old. Its population. After about 5,000 to 6,000 red pandas are estimated to be present in 4 Indian states: Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Sikkim and West Bengal. This is the second largest population after China, 6,000 to 7,000. Bhutan and Myanmar have no estimate of the animal's population. Red pandas have been reported from 11 districts of Arunachal Pradesh, which is presumed to hold the largest red panda population in the country. Traits. It is listed as an endangered species on the IUCN Red List. According to the WWF, they often get caught in traps intended to catch other animals, example deer. Other traits include habitat loss, hunting, poaching, deforestation. In southwest China, hats made from the tail of the red panda are considered a good luck charm. Decreasing red panda population has found that there has been a 40% decrease in China over the last 50 years. Protected areas in India. India has 20 protected areas with known or possible red panda population. In Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh and West Bengal, such as Kanchenjunga, Namdapha and Singalia National Parks. In the media, the main character of the Netflix original series, A Great Sequel, is a red panda. For its sequel, the name of the web browser Firefox is said to be based on a nickname given to the red panda, Firefox. Steps being taken to save red pandas. Red Panda Network is a non-profit organization that protects red panda and their habitats. We work with local community groups. Pandas need our attention and our love. Make it a happier International Red Panda Day. Thank you. Have a good day.